Hi everyone, today Sunday, 15th December, and we going to filming again with Georgi. 2 months I not been because I'm busy. Last time I been in Russia. Now I have time, only little bit. That's why I want to take video for you. And I need again come back to, because again busy today. Sorry guys, so many video I cannot film it. Good. Georgi will pay now. Time now already 2:25. Today many people, not same like before. Or even drone have. Drone, oh yes, so many video.
We'll be having the swimsuit competition morning show. We'll be having for the first set. Our 24 candidates, ladies and gentlemen, once again, this is the only criteria for judging on this contest element, meaning the more beats that you get, the more chance. Versus one, ladies and gentlemen, comes to us from Pampanga City, with by the statistics of 32, 24, and 33. 4'9" high gentlemen, 27 years of age, with goal number 590. Thank you so much for asking, ladies and gentlemen. Contestant number 1, Mega Transporte. And finally, her gentlemen, give it your way, all the way down fresh from Mega Manila, with a Bible statistic. 4'11" high gentlemen, 25 years of age, with a goal number 546. Representing Global Atlantis, give it up for Buzo Buhari. And by her gentlemen, third spot, 25 years of age, representing Lollipop Park. Give it up, ladies and gentlemen, for Miss Maria Wanario. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time. For 11 high gentlemen, 20 years of age, with goal number of T's 498, representing Dollhouse Bar. Give it up for Miss Maria Joanna. Representing from the beautiful land of Pampanga City, with the vital statistics of 32, 24, and 35. Representing Lollipop Bar, give it up for Miss Carmina trained high, 19 years of age, representing Lollipop Bar. Give it up for Miss Michelle and Rivera. It's when my demons have. And as we move on, ladies and gentlemen, to our contestant number 10, representing also from the capital city of the Philippines, Metro Manila, with a vital statistics of 32, 5-point high, 25 years of age, with a goal number of DH389, representing Dallas Bar. Please welcome Shakira and Riho. Candidate number 11, representing from the beautiful island of Butu, one city, with a vital statistics of 32, 25, and 34, 23 years of age, Miss Sherry B. Luyas. It only costs for you for 100 pesos for the sponsor bids and 5,000 pesos for the golden beans. And right now, ladies and gentlemen, as we see set of our candidates, candidate number 12, she comes to us from the big land of Mega Manila with a vital statistics of 34, 25, and 36.
Now break time. We go to eat, take food.
And you can have a chance then to meet and greet, might lead to win their heart as well. And we have here candidate number 2, who's from Bahana, is available for ladies drinks. Now, for those guys sponsored by her some ladies drinks, I want you to raise your hands. Anyone from this building wants to buy some drinks for Huso, please raise your hands. Gentlemen, anyone to buy some drinks for this lovely ladies? There you go. Let me see those hands, gentlemen, if you want some drinks. If you want to buy some drinks from this girls. Miss Marie Zabala is available for ladies drinks. Anyone from this building wants to buy some drinks for Miss Marie Zabala, please raise your hands.
To vaccination. Yes.
One drinks. And now we have here available for ladies drinks, gentlemen, and coming out, ladies and gentlemen, to our candidate number 10. Also, she comes to us from Mega Manila. Gentlemen, 25 years. 1, representing from Surigao City, with a gold number of 22, 25, and 35. 5 feet high, gentlemen, 19 years of age. Give it up for Miss Mela Nunes. Once again, that's Mela Nunes. That's contestant number 14, representing Antipolo City, with a height of 36 of 36, 24, and 34. 5'5" in height, gentlemen, a fresh 18 years of age, with a gold number of D600, representing the House Bar. Give it up for Miss Maria Queen Concepcion. Moving on to our contestant number 15, representing from the surfing island of Surigao, with a gold number of 32, 25, and 34. 5'4" in height, gentlemen, 23 years of age, representing Lollipop Bar. Give it up for Miss Reina. And moving on, ladies and gentlemen, on our candidate number 16, representing from the land of Samar, with a battle statistics of 30, 24, and 34, 23 years of age, with a total number of Ds 589, representing Dollhouse Bar. Give it up for Miss Revelyn Quiniedo. Thank you so much once again, ladies and gentlemen. That was contestant number 16, Revelyn Quiniedo, representing Dollhouse Bar. Moving on, ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 17, 5'4" in height, representing Lollipop Bar. Give it up for Miss Maribel Mazzola. She comes to us from Leyden, with a vital statistics of 34, 23, and 37. 5'1" in height, gentlemen, 25 years of age, with a gold number of D630, representing Dollhouse Bar. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Jesseline Aprio. And moving on, ladies and gentlemen, to our contestant number 19, representing from Sino Smile, Cebu City, with a gold number of, with a battle statistics of 34, 28, and 35, 5'1" in height, gentlemen, 36 years of age, representing Lollipop Bar. Give it up for Miss Marifan Bautista. And it's speed time. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, these are available for all colors and very great shirts and moving around the area, gentlemen. Beats is the and finally heard, gentlemen, candidate number 20, representing Devil del Norte, with a battle statistics of 34, 24, and 34. 5'6" in height, gentlemen, 22 years of age, with a gold number of 760, representing Global Madness. Give it up. Thank you so much once again, ladies and gentlemen. Contestant number 20, Maria Del Cielo Ehog. Number 21, representing from Antipolo City, 26 years of age, with a 5'5" behind, representing Lollipop Bar. Shoes of love for Miss Karen Borja. From the Lantern, capital of the Philippines, now talking about Pampanga, with a Bible statistics of 32, 25, and 24. 5'4" high, gentleman, 20 years of age, with a gold number 428, representing Lo Butlales. Give it up for Miss Catherine Manansala. And here we go, ladies and gentlemen, second to the last one, representing from Salvar, 5'5" and high, gentleman, 26 years of age, representing Lollipop Bar. Please welcome Ashley Keyshorn. As we see for the last gentleman, candidate number 24, 32 years of age, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mirzal Nunes.
Georgi, do you like today or not? Better than before? Huh?
Yes, many. 24.
24 girls
Yes,
today.
24. Many.
Do you like girls?
Anyone wants to buy some drinks?
Which girl you like?
On the center stage. All right.
I think number 1, number 4,
Okay, thank you so much.
10,
Mel
11.
Nunes.
Number 1, number 4,
10, 11,
10, 11,
14,
14,
20,
20.
maybe, I don't know.
Okay. So today, yes,
Gentlemen,
number 1.
candidate number 14.
Today many girls.
A fresh. Yeah, 14 and 18 years of age, gentlemen. Never been kissed, never been touched, but totally amazing, gentlemen.
What about foods, Georgi? Do you like foods today?
Thank you so much.
So good, yeah? Girls good, foods good. So you recommended go to Score Birds?
Also from Dollhouse
Okay.
Bar, please welcome Rebel.
Georgi, I'm busy. I will go home, okay? You can message to me who win, what number win, okay?
I don't know.
10 drinks.
Maybe I go before.
11 drinks.
Okay, okay.
Today.
11 drinks right now. How's
Okay,
that?
okay. Okay, see you, Georgi.
On the right side. Alright, we got here contestant number 18 is available for our ladies swing, Miss Jesselyn. There we go. If you don't know, gentlemen, Jesselyn is the 2024 Miss Dollhouse title holder, gentlemen, older, I mean. So everyone to buy some drinks. Anyone wants to buy some drinks for this? Candidate number 18, Jesselyn. Please raise your hands. Once again, Jesselyn is available for ladies' swing. Please raise your hands if you want to buy her